Today, I'm going to show you how to change the Windows 11 Start menu back to Windows 10. Chances are you got this Windows 11 Start menu because you got a brand new machine, or you accidentally pressed the upgrade button in Windows 10. And if you're like me, you want your Windows 10 style Start menu back. To change it back to the Windows 10 interface, all you have to do is go to this GitHub page, scroll down all the way to the bottom, click on EP Setup. It is a very small program, so once you download it, go ahead and right-click on it, Run as Administrator. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to install? Click on Yes. Now, click on the Start menu. Go to Properties, Explore Patcher. In the Start menu, on the upper right-hand corner, click on Windows 10. It is possible that you might have to restart, and once you do restart, we're back to the Windows 10 style menu. It's almost perfect, right? It pops up in the middle, and that's okay. We can go back and fix that. Go to Properties, Explore Patcher, Start menu, position at the edge instead of the center. Now the Start menu is back on the left side. Perfect. There are a lot more changes as seen here, and you can play around that. But for now, I'm so happy just getting the Windows 10 style Start menu back. Alright, hopefully this video helps you on how to configure Windows 11 Start menu. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.